resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
Noong June 23, 2001, winasak ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ang respetadong champion ng South Africa na si Lilo Ledwaba. Sa pagkakataong ito mga boss ay hindi pa kilala ang pangalan ni Pacquiao. Ang pinanghahawakan lamang nito ay isa itong bata ni Freddie Roach at nagtitraining sa Wildcard Gym na pagmamayari ni Roach. Samantalang itong si Ledwaba ay binansagang pinakamabilis na African boxer sa kasalukuyan. Katunayan nito ay marami itong nagawang upset kaya mas lalong nakilala ang kanyang pangalan. Ang original sanang mga kalaban ni Ledwaba dito mga boss ay si Enrique Sanchez. Ngunit hindi ito natuloy dahil sa kasamaang palad ay nagka-problema ang Meksikanong si Enrique Sanchez. Kaya naman 2 linggo lamang ang natitirang araw, si Pacquiao ang napili bilang isang late substitute boxer. Paglalabanan nila dito mga boss ang titulong IBF Junior Featherweight title. Ito ang pang-anim na depensa ni Ledwaba. Si Ledwaba ay may timbang na 122 pounds, samantalang si Pacquiao naman ay may timbang na 121 pounds. Si Pacquiao dito mga boss ay may kartadang 32 panalo, may 2 talo, at 23 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Samantala ang kanyang katunggali naman mga boss si Ledwaba ay may kartadang 33 panalo, may 1 talo, may 1 tabla, at 22 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Huwag natin patagalin to mga boss, bakbakan agad.
Martin Arena, Paradise, Nevada. Pac-Man beat defending IBF Super Bantamweight title Lelo Ledwaba by TKO at 0:59 in round 6 of 12.
Make them decide.
That's exactly what Emmanuel Stewart was saying to me last week.
Be in position when you throw a shot, get your hands in and bring a rifle.
Fighters tend not to use their jab as much against a southpaw because Pacquiao.
Pacquiao should fight here. He shouldn't try to get.
Yeah, he showed us that in South Africa.
Then you are in shape trying to box a boxer. In bad shape.
Pacquiao landing. Manny Pacquiao has landed the harder shots in round 1, and now he dominates. He gets off to an uncertain start against Pacquiao's hard punches in round 1.
You want to fight? The fight is yours, but it's not going to develop like that.
You talk about getting old.
I think it started in the first couple of punches thrown in the first round.
Absolutely. I think this guy just hit so hard.
To be a star, you got to fight. That's a rude awakening for a good.
The body shot of his own. Ledwaba again with a big left upstairs. Pabani pleading with him as he got up out of his corner. Cook land the left hook. Pacquiao to the and another and a big right.
You don't have it as reserves. Give you oxygen.
10-8 round, an extra point for the knockout. That was incredible. It appeared as though adrenaline chloride 1 to 1,000 in the nose. And
does a good job of it.
Yeah, but
Guy from South Africa giving out.
That's what Pacquiao's got to do. Keep throwing the shots, Pacquiao.
On to watch. Boom!
He's a good fighter. He had no idea.
Almost a resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
That's a TKO victory for the very impressive.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Kaya kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na para lagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless!